In this video, I will show you how you can use read mode on Google Chrome. So read mode will read out any text that you want it to read out inside Google Chrome, right? So the first thing we need to do is head over to a website or anything that we want to read. So for example, I will just search for the Times, and if we go onto it here and we go onto the main page, right, you want to right click anywhere on the page and then you want to click on open in reading mode. Once we select this, you will then get a new window here. And for example, if I wanted to read this section of the website here, I'm going to highlight it. And then as you can see, it will then go to the right hand side. You can then click on play.
Reads accused of misleading Britain before budget. The OBR said the
You can go ahead, play this, and you can let it read through. You can change the voice if you want to do this. You can change the speed that it is read. You can create a link. You can change the text and the font, and you can also change the color and things like that. So that's how simple it is to use Google Read Mode, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.